Hey everyone, it's Adam from MAPerformance, and we want to introduce you to our new billet aluminum Evo X catch can. We know you like driving your Evo X hard, but make sure you're looking out for the longevity of your engine. Our catch can is a full vent to atmosphere and doubles as your coolant expansion tank with a clean single bolt install. One of the easiest catch can installs we've seen for this platform. You don't have to remove your front bumper, you don't have to worry about your oil cooler kit location, you don't have to bend any lines or really spend much time installing this kit at all. Having the catch can and coolant tank combo heats the entire assembly, which helps with pulling the oil out of the vapor, but it also allows us to maximize the use of space under the hood. Our catch can has an easy fill port to add coolant, as well as a built-in float to easily check your coolant level. It features -10 AN lines to slow down the velocity of the air, which assists with oil separation, and inside contains stainless steel mesh that provides the surface area for oil to cling to while the air passes through. The benefits of our catch can are: 1, providing an additional flow path for pressure built up in the crankcase, which lowers the crankcase pressure below the pistons, resulting in better ring seal and lower pumping losses, which frees up some horsepower that the factory system robs you of, as well as a lower rate of contamination for your engine oil. Relieving this pressure helps increase the life of vital seals and gaskets in your engine. Removing the PCV oil mist and vapor from the intake track means the engine inhales clean air and reduces oil accumulation in the intercooler, intercooler piping, and turbo compressor cover. When oil coats the inside of the intercooler, it lowers its thermal efficiency. Having this catch can helps keep your intercooler operating at an optimal level and can even improve turbo life. More importantly, isn't robbing power due to a contaminated air-fuel mixture. Our catch can also has an oil drain kit to allow you to easily empty the catch can, which is available as a separate kit. We want to thank you guys for watching. You can pick up your billet aluminum Evo X catch can on our website, and feel free to call us with any questions you might have. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and stay tuned for all the great content we have to come this year.